Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so measurements are reliable. Once done, enable developer options and set screen timeout short. This helps for repeated tests. Next, open settings battery and performance to note current percentage and temperature. Install a Qoo battery or a similar app and grant permissions so the app can read charge cycles and discharge current. Make sure you charge once to 100% and note exact start time. This gives a baseline for later calculations and avoids guesswork. You now perform the core measurement, a controlled discharge run. First, set brightness to a fixed level and close non-essential apps so the workload is consistent. Start a known percentage and record the timestamp, then run a repeatable task like video playback or a benchmark for 1-2 hours. Once complete, check the app's log for mAh discharged, average current, and screen on time. These figures let you compute effective capacity versus nominal capacity, which shows how much capacity you've lost. You finish by calculating battery health. Take the measured usable mAh from your app and divide by the phone's rated mAh, then multiply by 100 to get percent health. Once you have that number, repeat the test 2-3 times and average to reduce noise. If results look inconsistent, recalibrate the battery by charging to 100% and letting it drain to 0 once, then repeat measurements. If health remains low, consider replacing the battery or contacting Xiaomi support for a service check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.